Welcome back to Swiss 400. Today I will go over the Gemini Jets November 2025 releases in 1 to 400 scale and give you my honest opinion if any are worth buying. Let's get right into it. First up we have an Aero Mexico Boeing 737 MAX 9 in the Cool Con livery. This exact model has been released before by NG Models earlier this year. If I had to choose, I'd probably get the NG Models version over the Gemini Jets one. That said, Gemini's 737 MAX 9 isn't dreadful, it's actually quite decent. I expect this model to turn out fairly good. If you want this model and haven't gotten the NG Models version, this one will be acceptable as well. Next up we have a Delta 767-300ER. Recently we have seen a few Delta 767-300s. Both Panda models and NG models have produced one in the past year and a half. Even Gemini's most recent one is only from 2 years ago. With that said, both the Panda and NG model 767s are way better than the outdated Gemini Jets mold. Don't waste your money on this model, instead get yourself a Delta 767 from one of the other brands. The differences are huge. Moving on to our first Emirates model from this release in the form of this Boeing 737-300. This model will be fine but nothing special either. Gemini's 737-300 are looking a bit weak nowadays. There has been an Emirates 737-300 released using the Panda models mold last year. That model is definitely better than the Gemini offering, so I tried to get that one instead. Now to the models I consider the highlight of this month, the Emirates Sky Cargo 777-200s. There is a regular version of this model as well as the interactive series one. Both will most likely turn out great and should be considered by anyone who is interested in an Emirates 777 freighter. I'd personally go with the interactive one, but either way, Gemini Jets 777s are pretty good models. Talking about 777s, here we have a Qatar 777-9. It looks like this one will have the wingtips in the extended position. It's the first Qatar Airways 777-9 in 400 scale and I absolutely expect the model to be decent. Still, Aviation 400 is working on a 777-9 with foldable wingtips. Personally, I would wait for that one. There is no shame in picking up the Gemini Jets offering though. Finishing off this rather small release, we have a United 727-100 in the Sol Bass colors. Aero Classics have made a few of these before, but none of them particularly impressed me. I expect this Gemini Jets version to be slightly better overall, but still not great. So yeah, if you are in the hunt for a United 727, go for it. That's it for this month. Will you be getting any of them? Let me know down below in the comments. I'm probably not gonna get myself any from this month's release. Maybe the Emirates 777, but most likely not. Thanks for watching, until next time, goodbye!